come and stop and then.
So hello again, guys. It's been a while since I performed here. Right? Yeah. I used to perform like every week outside. I missed only once because I was sick. I was there, but then yeah, something happened. Like I just got busy. So it's good to be back here again. I was nervous at the beginning, actually. Usually I don't. Like I never nervous like outside. So hopefully I can deliver. I'll do like one.
Welcome back.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. Oh, by the way, does anyone know Yiruma?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, this is a song from Yiruma.
Yeah.